You guys, we are just about a week away from this upcoming Jordan, and the resale has begun to fall. This is exactly what we've been waiting for. We knew this would happen, so hopefully you guys did not pull the trigger too quick on these, because this is going to be one that I know a lot of people are going to want, but the resale is not going to be that high. Always remember, you guys, chase your dreams, because if you don't, one day somebody's going to hire you to help chase theirs. And of course, you guys, never stop dreaming, because the life without dreams isn't really much. Let's go ahead. Let's get into this video.
Yeah, he got kicks. I like switch. I don't miss. Don't do bricks. He got kicks. The kid is sick. Team with Rob, cause he got hits. He got kicks.
What is up, YouTube? I'm Hegotkickz. Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, that we get all the notifications every time I drop any bangers for you guys. Hit the like button, hit the share button, do all those great things for me. Follow me on Instagram at @TheRealHegotkickz, and of course the hat page Perfect Brims, and TikTok Hegotkickz95. You guys, today's video, we called it. We knew that this would happen. We of course told everybody, wait it out, don't pay the resale just yet. It is going to fall, and that is exactly what it is doing, you guys. This is definitely one that, again, I know a lot of you guys want and a lot of people have been waiting for, but we knew the resale was not going to be that high on it. We're just about a week away from this release, and yes, the resale has started to fall. It is already under $300. I think we're probably going to be looking at like a wolf gray situation again, where of course they're going to sell out retail, but the resale is only going to be right around 250, 260, something like that. That's where I expect to see these sit. This is definitely one that I know a lot of people have been waiting for. But again, if you guys are new to the channel, hit that sub button, hit the like button, make sure you guys are sharing the video. And if you guys are on mobile, make sure you guys are hitting the hype button. Pushes the video out just a little bit further into the algorithm. Everything counts. Every comment you guys give, absolutely everything matters. And again, I appreciate all the support. I'll never ask you guys to do anything that isn't free. But you guys, again, the sneaker that we are talking about today is Air Jordan 5 University Blue. This sneaker right here, I know you guys have been waiting for. I know you guys want everything, but the resale has begun to fall. This is one that once again had very high resale at one point, but right now a size 10 is sitting at $290. The lowest ask is $266, which is a 11.5. You don't see that too often where it's a larger size that has the lowest ask, but we do have a 10.5 that's $282, 11 is $286. Now a 14 still $303, 15 is $307. But everything that is like the major men's sizes 8 through 13 is under $300. Even though a 13 is $299, still under $300. Now after fees and shipping and everything like that, it's still a pretty expensive shoe. Let's go ahead and be honest. Like subtotal is $318.64 for regular, and it's still basically a $350 shoe, which again is kind of high. I know that a lot of places, like right now, I see some stores selling these for $450 and they're moving. I hope it's not none of you guys, because $450 is just crazy. Again, I understand like it's kind of right there in the moment in your face and you get to take it home right then and there, but don't do that. $450 is ridiculous. $300 is a great deal, I feel like, right now. If you guys are wanting this sneaker early, I feel like $300 is a great price. $325 is even a good price, because if it's $325 shipped, that means that $25 on top, you know, pays for your shipping. So you're basically getting it for $300 at just out the door. That right there is not bad, but I do think it is not a great thing whenever it's like $350, $360, stuff like that, because then you're just going up. So I just honestly, in my opinion, again, it's going to keep going down. We're still a week away from the release. It could hit the 250s, 260s earlier next week, maybe even. So again, this is just one of those times you got to wait it out. You have to do what's right for you guys. You have to do what's smart. And again, this is a shoe that I know a lot of people have wanted and have been wanting for some time. Again, originally released 2006, long time, 20 years. And again, some of you guys, I mean, for me, I was 11 years old whenever this first released. I remember wanting this shoe couldn't get it as a kid. I remember I have the military blue 4s, but again, I just wasn't able to get a lot of shoes because you're a kid. You know what I mean? Like, you can't get that many shoes whenever it's just a single parent household. That's just how it goes. But this is definitely one I know a lot of you guys have wanted, but don't overspend for the shoe unless, again, you just want to be like me and just get it out of the way. That's really what I get them early for, to show you guys and to get my cops out of the way, not have to deal with raffles or anything like that. That's why I do it, but it is, of course, a lot more expensive. Don't spend the extra money that you do not have to spend. That is what I would tell you guys. This is still a great sneaker. I know a lot of people that have a lot of fair prices out there. Again, if you guys need size, let me know. Again, like I always tell y'all, I give you guys the price that I get, and you guys can get it, you know, with shipping and stuff like that. I don't charge you guys anything extra. I don't really care, because again, I even give you the people that have the shoes. So again, I give you guys the resources if you want to get it early. But again, I don't try to make money off you guys. I make enough money off the videos and stuff like that. So again, that's just how I roll, how I've always done it. If y'all know me, again, that's why I go grab shoes for retail plus shipping for you guys on release day, stuff like that. If you guys need my help on these, let me know, DM me. If you guys want that, again, I'll try my best to get you guys as many sizes as I can. But this is something that we called. We knew it was not going to be a super high resale. Again, after fees and everything, it's still going to be kind of up there, even at $250 or $260. Still going to be a $300 shoe, but way better than $400, $450, or even $500 like the black metallics were. Thank God we won't see that again. But again, this is just one of those times that you're gonna have to really just put in the work for it. If you guys want this shoe, make sure you guys are putting in the footwork. This is going to be one that a lot of people are going to go after. I'm looking forward to having a big Saturday myself, because I know for a fact a lot of people are going to look for hat. Hopefully I will have enough. That is what I am hoping for. So let me know in the comment section down below if you guys plan on picking up the University Blue 5s. If this is a shoe you guys want, if you guys have already paid resale, let me know in the comment section down below what you guys paid. I am genuinely curious what it was. This is definitely one that I knew the resale would drop. We called it. We knew what it was going to do, and it's done exactly that. So again, stay patient, be selective, don't spend more money than you absolutely have to. But again, love you guys. Appreciate y'all. Thank you guys so much for absolutely everything. Continue to hit the like button, share button, of course the hype button. Every single thing counts. Every single thing matters. I appreciate you guys more than you guys know. At the end of the day, I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. Let me know who y'all's final picks is in the comment section down below as well. Love y'all. Peace.